We create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the STEAM Lab Club every day.
Hi friends! Welcome to the STEAM Lab Club. I'm Miss Lauren and this is
Coach Jerry!
Yay! And who do we have on today? We have Ronan, Caleb, Magic, and Pablo on my care K-Schools. We're gonna have so much fun. What are we gonna make today?
I think we are gonna make some milk.
Magic! Magic milk!
I thought it was just milk.
Woohoo! Magic milk!
It's magic milk?
It is. So let's go over all the ingredients we need for today's class. Alrighty, friends. First, we need the magic ingredient, milk. Awesome. Alrighty, Caleb, we need some food coloring. We need some cotton swabs. Ronan, we need some dish soap today. We also need a shallow plate. And then, friends, we're gonna use some crayons and markers at the end to do some drawing. Alrighty, friends, so are you ready to get started to make some magic milk?
I'm totally ready. Are my friends all ready to go?
We are ready! Woohoo!
I've never
friends.
made this before.
I'm excited.
I don't even know what's gonna happen.
Well, we're gonna find out right now.
What? Yes!
Alrighty, friends, so step number 1 is we are going to take our milk and we're gonna pour it onto our plate or a dish. Remember, you don't need a lot, just a little bit, enough to cover the bottom.
Okay.
Alrighty, I'll pour some on mine. And if we make a mess, that's okay. We'll clean it up later. Slowly pour it, friends. Slowly pour it. Perfect. Alrighty, Coach Jerry, your turn now.
Alrighty. Slowly pour. Whoa. Whoa!
Whoa, slow. Slow, slow,
Whoa!
slow.
Okay. There we go.
Perfect. So once it's covered, friends, we are going to take our food coloring and we're going to drop it into our milk. All right? So let's see what kind of cool designs we can make.
Oh, all right. I think I'm gonna use all the colors.
I think so too. I'm gonna use some yellow.
Where do we put it?
Right on the milk. Just right on top.
Anywhere, huh?
Anywhere. Anywhere. Just like that.
Oh, just kind of stays there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No magic yet, right, friends?
All right. Well, I can't wait to get magical.
I wonder what happens if we mix some colors together. Okay, so I have yellow.
I have yellow and red.
Add some green.
I'm gonna add a little blue ski. Blue. Friends, what color does yellow and blue make?
Ooh, who knows?
What color does yellow and blue make?
What do you think, Caleb? Ronan, what do you think, Magic? My KRK school's green. That's right, Caleb. Awesome job,
That's
sweetie.
right.
Woohoo!
All right. Wow, mine looks so fun. It's got little polka dots in it.
Are you gonna add some more colors?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little green on the edges.
Ooh, that's cool.
Bing, bong, Donkey Kong. All right!
All right, I'm
Look
gonna
how
add some
pretty
red.
mine looks.
I'm gonna do a little swirl, see what
Uh-oh.
happens.
Uh-oh. Coach Lauren is doing some swirls.
Swirlies,
oh,
friends.
Boy, that looks fun.
All right, I think I'm gonna do one more swirl, okay?
Do it.
Let's see.
I don't even know how that's gonna turn out.
Awesome.
Wow.
So now, friends, are you ready to see some magic? Friends, are you ready?
I'm ready to see some magic. What do we do?
So we're gonna take a cotton swab,
Okay.
one for you
Thank you.
and one for me. And then we're gonna take our dish soap, friends,
There you
and we're
go.
gonna pour a little bit on the top of the cotton swab, okay?
Okay.
Just a little bit. You don't need that much. And if it falls, that's okay. Perfect.
Ooh.
Alrighty, Coach Jerry, now you have some.
Okay. Let's see here. Whoa.
Be careful.
Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Getting out of control. Whoa! I did it.
You
Don't
did it.
worry. Gee whiz.
Alrighty, friends, are you ready to see some magic?
What do we
So
do?
now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cotton swab and we are going to dip it right into our milk. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's see, let's see.
Ready?
One, 2, and 3.
Oh!
Look at that, friends. What? Look at how cool. Now move it. Move it to another spot. See what happens.
Wow.
Milk.
Oh, it's still doing it.
Friends, milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. Proteins and fats are likely to change. So look, when the dish soap is added to the milk, those molecules run around and try to attack the fat molecules in the milk. So take a look. How
Wait.
cool is that?
So the molecules what?
Yep. How awesome is that? And if we didn't have the
Wow.
food coloring, we wouldn't be able to see that happening, right?
That is so cool.
Should we turn it around and try some more dish soap?
Look at that.
Look at how cool that is. Friends,
I
look
can
at
just
how
hold it there.
amazing that is.
Look at that. And the yellow and the all the colors are, oh, look at that. They're all spreading. Oh no!
So the soap heads for the fats, creating the cool bursting of colors. When there is no more movement, all the fat molecules have been found.
Wow. I had no idea.
It's still going, friends, so if you keep moving it around, or even if you add more dish soap, it'll keep moving.
So I have a question. If we were to go on a diet, could we do this and it would get rid of all the fat?
I don't think it works like that, but maybe we could try it.
Yeah. Well, that's a new diet for you. Wow.
How amazing is that?
Yeah. And
Alrighty,
it just keeps going.
friends, it keeps going. Look at it. That is so cool.
Gosh. Wow.
I love this. So friends, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little techie breaky just to move our bodies around a little bit, and then we're gonna draw what we saw. How does that sound? Alrighty, friends, let's head over to a techie breaky. Come on. Hi everyone, and welcome to another techie breaky. Today, friends, we are gonna have so much fun, and it's pretty simple. All we have to do is follow the key on the screen. All right, friends, are you ready to get started? But first, let's go over the key. When we see blue, we're gonna jog in place. Okay, friends, when we see yellow, we're gonna walk, slow walk. When we see green, we're gonna do jumping jacks. Awesome, friends, when we see red, we're gonna freeze. You got that? And last but not least, friends, when we see black, we're gonna do high knees. All right, friends, are you ready to get started? Let's get right to it. So let's take a look. Up first, it's blue, we're gonna jog. Up next, we have yellow. We're gonna walk slowly, friends. Come on. Let's see, green, jumping jacks. Red, what does that mean? Freeze. Black, high knees, come freeze. Awesome. Green, jumping jacks. Come on, friends. Looks like yellow. We're gonna walk. Oh, blue, what does that mean? Jog, 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 fast. All right, friends, I'm gonna say the color and I wanna see if you could get it. Oh, yellow. Blue, jog. Green, jumping jacks. Come on, you gotta be fast. Red, freeze. And black, heinies. Friends, you all did so amazing, and we will see you next time for another Techie Breakie. Bye, everyone. Whoo, that was awesome. Did you enjoy that Techie Breakie?
Wow, did you get some exercise?
I saw Ronan dancing over there. Woohoo!
Good job.
Alrighty, friends. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to draw what we actually saw during our Magic Milk Steam project. Alrighty, friends. So all we need is a sheet of paper and some markers or crayons or paint.
And I'm gonna do a little experiment here to see if it works. Look at this. It just keeps working, guys. How cool is that?
It keeps going.
So I'm gonna take this piece of paper and I'm just gonna dip it in there and see if it will transfer onto the paper.
Ooh, let's see what happens, friends.
Alrighty, so let's give it a shot. I'm just gonna touch it onto the paper or onto the milk like that.
Hey,
Whoa,
it did
not
it.
bad. Wow.
Woo-hoo.
That is cool. I wonder if I push harder if it will get it all in there. Hold on.
Let's see, let's see.
Whoa. Whoa. There we go. Look at that.
Wow, that is so cool.
It's like a tree. It's like a bush. Isn't that neat?
That's so cool.
Wow.
Alrighty, friends, so now we're gonna draw what we actually saw during our Magic Milk Steam project. So mine kind of started off small, right? It was small and then
And then it
spread.
went, yep, it sure did. I'm still playing with mine because this is a lot of fun. I didn't know it would be this neato, right?
That was so cool.
This is so neat.
So first we started off with little drops, right? And remember, friends, you're going to draw what you saw.
Oh, I think all the fat's gone out of yours.
Okay, so I had blue,
Wow. All right.
some red,
Okay, time for me to draw.
yours turned out really cool. I think I used maybe too many colors. That's okay though, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a... Yours is almost looks like ink.
It does look like ink.
Could probably put it in a pen and... Wow. Okay, remember how they started. I did some blues.
What color food coloring did everybody use? We made some green, right? Alright, and then I used some yellow. Like this. Now watch what we're gonna do. After we draw this, all our molecules, right? What we remember about it. And then I remember I did some swirls. And I'm gonna show you how to do the swirls in just a second. I'm gonna add some blue swirlies. And a little green. I did some green on the outside. Yep, that's what it looked like right before. It turned into magic milk. Okay, now, watch this. Now we're gonna take this marker, the green, whatever colors you put in, let's put all of these in. I did red, and I did blue. Let me see your blue, here we go. And And then as soon as we put them in, what happened? All the colors spread around, didn't they? So, watch what Coach Jerry does. I'm taking all the colors, and then you just swirl it around your dots to make the most beautiful picture ever. Make some circles. Coach Jerry, I'm gonna have to use your blue because mine. Oh yeah. Blue ink, remember? Yep. So I'm gonna grab some blue. Oops. Hey friends, what would happen if I mixed blue and red? What color would I get? If I mixed blue and red. Blue and red. What does that mean? Oh wow. Just look like that. And look at that.
Wow.
How cool. I wonder, Coach Jerry, if you put more dish soap
Ooh.
on it and try it again, see what happens.
Okay. Here we go. Is everybody's turning out really good?
Let's see, because I want to see everybody's. We're going to share in a little bit.
Uh-huh. Alrighty.
Let's see what happens. Does it still do it?
Oh, wow.
Look at it go, friends.
Oh.
How cool is that? It's looking like this more. Woo!
Wow, look at those little ripples.
That is so cool. Ronan, look at how cool. Caleb, my KRK schools, take a look at that. KRK South Shore.
Wow.
How cool is that? Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, friends. Woo!
We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the STEAM Lab Club every day.